Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that you can click on first tab and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors on your app or can delete your account. So if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.